Today I'm going to tell you about tabletop hockey or big board hockey. We came up with this game during the harsh conditions of the pandemic, when a social distance of 1.5 to 2 meters was a necessity and everyone had to stay at home. We took an ordinary tabletop hockey game and applied its principles, structure and markings to outdoor playgrounds. Thus, we got back to the active way of life while taking all the safety precautions. There is no direct physical contact in the game, so people of all ages and physical fitness can play. How to apply markings for the playground. We start by drawing the central line on the court. Then we draw symmetrical longitudinal zones with a width of 1 meter on both sides of the line. 3 on one side, 3 on the other. Lines for center forwards are 7 meters long. For defenders, it's 9 meters. And it's 2 meters between the players' zones. The goalkeeper zone is 3 meters by 1. The zone of wingers is limited by the size of the playground. Has a rounding on the corners with a radius of 2 meters from the defender's zone and extends beyond the opponent's goal. A brief summary of the rules. Each team has 5 men and 1 lady on the court. 1 goalkeeper, 2 defenders and 3 forwards. We play 2 periods of 10 minutes. After a goal is scored, players of the scoring team change positions, as in volleyball. Players are not allowed to move outside their playing areas. Playing with a high stick, hand and foot passes are prohibited, as well as hitting the opponent's stick from above. A player can have possession of the ball for no more than 10 seconds. The ball is put into play with a stick only. We use hockey sticks and floor ball. We tried different variations and settled on these. This game evens the odds between amateur and professional players. We know for a fact that anyone can play hockey.